I know that I'll never be pain-free. I know that.
Suffering from severe osteoporosis,
My bones are like glass.
pins, rods, metal plates, and screws hold her leg together following a break.
The rods they hold my foot to my leg, and they're attached.
She turned to a pain clinic.
Dr. Rosen and Hoffberg and Associates really helped me with pain management.
That is, until the raid in February. FBI, DEA, and Health and Human Services agents took over the Rosen Hoffberg Rehabilitation and Pain Management offices in Towson and in Owings Mills. They confiscated boxes and boxes filled with medical records as part of an ongoing investigation. The impact, sudden and significant.
I had an appointment that morning and was making my way across the parking lot with my husband and my walker, trying to get in to see the doctor.
This former patient who asked not to be identified felt panic watching those federal agents. She wondered when she would get new prescriptions for oxycodone and oxymorphone. She says for 7 years, she has depended on the opioid medications to give her more independence by relieving her constant pain.
I would rather be hooked on a pain management medication under a doctor's supervision than to be stuck in my bed and not even be able to get myself a soda pop if I wanted to.
But she says she doesn't have an addiction. Rosen Hoffberg is still open, but getting her meds now?
It's like trying to climb through a circle of flames.
At the time of the raid, the clinic had some 4,200 patients. Since then, some of them have contacted the 11 News I-Team, saying they felt scared, intimidated, embarrassed, and angry. They think local and federal agencies should have done more to help them. They say pharmacies stopped accepting the clinic's prescriptions. Other pain specialists had patient backlogs lasting weeks and were unwilling to just continue them on the pain medicines they used.
It's even more difficult trying to schedule all these appointments with all these doctors, knowing that half of them are going to just treat me like a junkie and kick me out the door.
Area health departments say they had no advance notice about the raid. Taken by surprise.
Because these are narcotic and controlled substances, they can't go without those medications without going through withdrawal.
The director of Baltimore County's Health and Human Services says it wasn't until the raid started that federal agents notified him. His office took immediate steps to try to assist the patients.
We actually call the pain management center. We call the pharmacist. We call them and explain the situation, and then we make that link. One thing we don't want is for somebody to look for those medications on the street.
This former patient also worries about others turning to the streets. She says she still has not found a pain doctor who meets her needs.
And basically for me, I mean, it's been hell.
For the 11 News I-Team, I'm Barry Sims.
Now, 11 News extended an opportunity to Rosen Hoffberg to comment on this report, but we have not heard from them.